Currently on the screen is our first look at the life of the developing tropical low Invest 90p, and is located around 695 nautical miles northwestern Noumea, New Caledonia. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has upgraded their position to high for a tropical cyclone to form within the next 12 to 24 hours. Here's the tropical tidbits. First lot of possible tracks on the system. If Invest 90p was to develop slowly, the percentages would increase for the system to impact the southern region of Queensland. If it was to develop quickly, the percentages of it staying offshore would be higher. Now we have a look at the AEST track guidance. We will continue to bring the latest information via our video updates, and modelling is indicating a possible Cat 1 system. Here's the first track chart from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. And if Invest 90p does reach tropical cyclone status, I think the name will be Kelvin. Upper level divergence and the upper level environment is going to be very critical to the survival of this system. And looking at the wind shear, it's not looking healthy, especially when you look at the red. Now 24-hour shear tendency is actually showing a decrease in wind shear, and my favourite, the 850 millibar vorticity, I don't think it's really changed over the last 8 hours. Late cycle track guidance. And we have a look at an earlier model run, pre-sippable water. The values at the bottom of the screen, and this is available on the Pivotal Weather website. And I've only been following this website for probably about 6 months. And the longest one that I've been following is the US Navy's Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. And here's 2 areas of interest in the Indian Ocean and 90p. You can tell by the red circle that the JTWC has it at high, and a satellite image of the tropical low, which is around 1000 millibars at this point in time. The first lot of the NOAA floaters. Environmental analysis shows the system is in an area of low 10 to 15 knots vertical wind shear, and it's tracking through 29 to 30 degrees Celsius sea surface temperatures. Global models indicate the system will intensify to tropical storm strength over the next 24 to 36 hours. And the tropical storm is the northern hemisphere equivalent to a Cat 1 cyclone down here. And we will have a update first thing Tuesday morning.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.